YouTubers, welcome back. Just got a little short video for you today. I was in a bike shop a couple of days ago and a gentleman had purchased a Lectro EM600. Quite a nice bike actually, good build quality, decent welds on it, etc. Anyway, it was having a bit of difficulty removing the battery, and the gentleman in the shop showed him how to do it, and he was saying that that he hadn't seen anything on YouTube, nobody had seemed to have done a demonstration video, so here it is. So thanks to the bike shop and to the gentleman who owns the bike, they let me just take a few photographs of how to remove the battery. So first of all, you find your keyhole, your little key lock, you can see here. Obviously insert the key that comes with the bike and turn it anti-clockwise, just like I've done on this one. And the battery, you can see that just drops slightly, probably about 3 or 4 mil away from the frame. You then go around to the other side of the bike frame, the down tube. You see this little slide button here, which has a little lock and unlock on it, and you push it forward towards the headset, and then it releases the battery, as you can see here. And there's the frame there with the battery, and that's your battery on the floor. And the reason why he wanted this removing was he put it on the back of a camper van, and he wanted just to distribute some weight a bit more evenly to the front of the camper van, I think it was. So obviously to reinstall, it's just a simple case of the opposite. So you make sure the bottom is inserted, push it up so that it goes into place, and slide your lock lever down, and then turn your key back to the lock position, remove, and there's the battery all nice and safe again. So that's simply how you remove the battery on an Lectro EM600. So there you go, YouTubers. I hope you enjoyed that. Just a brief little quick video. Thanks again to the shop owners and to the gentleman who owned the bike for letting me just do these few photographs and this little video. Thanks for watching, YouTubers. If you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, that'd be fantastic. And as always, till next time, it'll be right.